Global Goal 14 addresses life underwater, and that's the oceans, also freshwater, but mostly we think about the oceans, and the oceans are vitally important for survival of the planet. In regulating temperature, in regulating carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and also in providing food for a large portion of the world's population.
I think it's a taste of sea. It tastes not so much. It tastes like salad, doesn't taste that much, and it's the same thing with the seaweed from the sea. It's not tasting so much. It tastes like the sea.
Door de Verenigde Naties zijn er verschillende Global Goals vastgesteld. Global Goal 14 gaat over het leven onder water. Cassandra Keubel onderhoudt samen met Anne Wongma een zeewierkwekerij. Zeewier is iets wat we nu nog maar weinig eten, maar dat gaat in de toekomst wellicht veranderen.
I think me and Cassandra are doing a lot by education and also having a really good way of exploring seaweed. We do these hikes, so I think that's something to explore and have a strong experience. I think that's what we would like to do more of, to put the seaweed in a more conscious way.
It's sustainable because I would say we have the carbon leaking out, and it collects that, and we don't need to add water because it's growing in water, and we don't need to add stuff like bad stuff to protect it from other things. It's growing here natural.
Zweden is het land van de duizenden meren en staat ook bekend als een land dat leeft met de natuur. Life below water is daarom ook erg belangrijk voor het land.
Sweden identified Goal 14 early on and was one of the first countries to really take leadership around one of these goals and start driving action. So they organized the first ocean conference around these goals back in 2017, and bringing together different actors from different parts of society to try to find problems or solutions to all the problems that we've been identifying.
Sweden, I think is really known for having a big heart for the nature, and as you know, the nature needs to be a safe place, and when human beings are destroying nature, it's often very hard to go back. So the marine resources really need to still be a good place, and we can for sure have a big impact on that by seaweed farming.
Volgens Almroth is het heel duidelijk wat er precies moet gebeuren. Er moet alleen nog actie worden ondernomen.
Responsibility lies on a lot of different levels. Scientists can provide the data that we need to find answers to the problems that we're facing, and then innovators and policymakers can help drive those solutions and put them into action, really. But I think we could, in one way, say that all of us have an invested interest in the oceans and can take action. And not everyone has the power to take big actions, but everyone has the power to do something.
This is an environmental project for us, so it's really important if this can lead to really securing the world sustainability agenda, then we are happy to contribute.